Hey friends, if you wish to open HEIC files in Windows for free officially, then please watch this video. So if you check for these HEIC extensions on the Microsoft Store, then you will notice that they are not free. But anyway, let us check it if they have changed anything. No, the HEVC extensions, which one they also have HEIC, they are paid. So you can use this option, but if you don't want that, then you can use any of these HEIC viewer tools. I use them. They do a fine job. It works for me. So this is how you can do it. But that's your call. I would have just installed this one, but it's free. But again, it's not the official application, and it is on the Microsoft Store, so it means that it's safe for Windows. But it's if you want to use the extensions download, then it is not free. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know. Please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.